Welcome to our channel. If you want to use the Multiview feature on YouTube TV to watch multiple channels simultaneously, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure you are using a compatible device that supports Multiview. This feature is available on select smart TVs, streaming devices, and the YouTube TV app on mobile devices. Step 2. Open the YouTube TV app and log in with your account credentials. Step 3. Navigate to a live sports game or event that supports Multiview. Look for the Multiview icon or option displayed on the screen. Step 4. Tap or click on the Multiview button to activate the feature. You will see multiple video feeds displayed on your screen simultaneously. Step 5. Select which channels or games you want to watch in the Multiview layout. YouTube TV typically offers up to 4 simultaneous streams during major sports events. Step 6. Adjust the audio by selecting which feed you want to hear. You can switch between different audio sources by clicking on the desired video feed. Step 7. Customize the layout by resizing or rearranging the video feeds according to your preference if the option is available. Step 8. Exit Multiview mode by pressing the back button or selecting a single channel to return to normal viewing. Enjoy watching multiple games and events at the same time with YouTube TV Multiview. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.